Right guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove and replace a car battery. Now it's 3 bolts holding the battery into place. You've got disconnect the negative and the positive, and then this other bolt that holds the battery actually into place, so it stops it from jumping about every time you obviously drive the car. And yeah, without further ado, let's get this battery out and replace it. Things first, you want to unclip this. It basically clips in there like that, and then you got to unclip that like that. There's a nut that holds the battery into place down there. You got to unscrew these two connections here. Nut goes on there, and then nut goes on there, and then that should be the battery freed up. So let's get this one out, and then I'll show you how to get the new one in. Now we've just got to do the whole thing in reverse. Let's do it. Wrong way.
Wow!
So now is move that forward like that, and then screw that nut up. Not in here, not in there. Put that plastic cover back on. This just clips into place. Obviously there's a clip either side. That one there. Just pull that up like that. Same goes for the other side. And then there's the new battery in. Right, so that's how to replace the car battery. It's not going anywhere. It's all clipped in. Everything's clipped in. New battery, old battery. Right guys, that'll be the end of the video. If you did like this video, like and subscribe, I much appreciate it. And this also saves you a lot of time and money if you had to go down to Halfords, for instance, to get someone else to fit this for you. And yeah, so without further ado, I'll see you in the next video, and thanks so much for watching.